Dear homeowner, the city skyline reaches ever upward. Living at height, surveying the landscape from above, is a realm unto itself. Today, we present the Leawod Magnificent Series GCY198 side press sliding window with screen crafted precisely for conquering height and demanding conditions. This is no ordinary sliding window. It is a sealed fortress engineered for high-rise living. When gales howl, the sash locks like bedrock within its stable frame. Precision transmission systems and custom hardware elevate ceiling performance to the ultimate level, barring wind noise, rain, and dust from entering. The tranquility and purity coveted by high-rise residents, GCY198 delivers flawlessly. 190mm total profile depth, 70mm interior sash face. The wide-body design not only exudes grandeur, but also creates a visually grounded, sophisticated boundary. Both sash and frame feature full welded construction, enhancing overall structural integrity while maintaining aesthetic appeal. Critical lower frame reinforcement forges an indestructible monolithic structure. Concealed drainage, like architecture's subtle hidden lines. Rainwater flows away silently, without a trace, preserving the façade's enduring elegance. Austrian Tiger Classic powder coating technology. Corrosion-resistant and weatherproof, enduringly fresh colors remain consistent. 72 shades available. Let your home decor style match freely. GCY198's integrated window screen design. Seamless and flawless. Silky smooth operation. High-strength fiberglass mesh. A robust, durable, transparent barrier allows refreshing airflow to pass freely, while completely blocking insect. Retracts invisibly. Elegant deployment and retraction. Precision embodiment of convenience and transparency in living. GCY198 is the precise solution to high-rise living challenges. The ultimate pursuit of ceiling and safety. A masterpiece blending exquisite craftsmanship with modern aesthetics. Choosing GCY198 sand-pressed sliding windows means granting your neighbors rock-solid assurance and undisturbed tranquility. Leawod's Magnificent Series GCY198 guarding higher realms with bespoke windows. Leawod excels in the details you can't see.